Welcome to this short introduction video on the Global Employee Share Purchase Plan, or GESP as it is also known. GESP is an easy and highly cost-effective way to buy Shell shares and gives you an opportunity to share in the success of Royal Dutch Shell, the success that you helped to create. How does GESP work? When you first become eligible to join the plan, you will be sent an invitation email from COMPUTERSHARE, the administrators of the plan, including your unique global ID. Separately, COMPUTERSHARE will also send your PIN by email if you do not have one already. You can join the plan if you want to using the information included in the invitation email. Detailed instructions on joining GESP are available within our Joining GESP video. When can you join? You can only join once you have received your invitation email and PIN from COMPUTERSHARE. The GESP plan cycle runs from January to December. You can enroll at any time between the 1st of January and the 15th of November to participate within a given plan year. How much can you contribute? You decide how much to contribute. There is an annual limit of €6,000 or local currency equivalent for the total annual contribution amount. But it is your decision how much you contribute and how you spread your contributions throughout the year. Your contributions are deducted from your net salary. That is your salary after tax. Therefore, you must ensure that your contribution amount does not exceed your net salary in a given pay period. Once you have enrolled in the plan, your participation will automatically continue in subsequent plan years unless you either move to a non-participating country or choose to withdraw or suspend from the plan before enrollment. What happens with your contributions at the end of the plan year? At the end of the plan year, your contributions are generally used to buy Royal Dutch Shell plc shares. These are purchased at a 15% discount on either the share price at the beginning or the end of the plan year, whichever is lower. RDSA ordinary shares will be purchased unless your base country is the USA, in which case you will receive RDS.A ADS shares. Where do your shares go once purchased? The shares will be transferred to an account in your name, either with COMPUTERSHARE or Fidelity if you have a US-based country, where they will begin earning dividends. Once you have received them, you are free to sell or transfer the shares at any time, subject always to the observance of the Securities Dealing Code. So, here's an example of a year in GESP. An eligible employee is invited to join GESP. They join and decide to contribute the annual maximum of €6,000, amount in 12 equal installments. So, €500 is deducted from the employee's net pay each month. At the end of the year, when it's time to purchase the shares, the share price at the beginning of the plan year is compared to that at the end of the plan year, in order to see which of the two is lower. For this example, the share price at the start of the year was €20 and at the end of the year is €25. As €20 is the lower price, this is chosen and a 15% discount is applied to calculate the GESP purchase price. The GESP purchase price for this example is €17 per share. To calculate the total number of shares purchased, you must divide the total contributions made by the participant, in this case €6,000, divided by the discounted share price of €17 to give the total of 352 shares. If we compare this to the number of shares which would have been purchased at the end of the plan year without the GESP discount and lower share price, only 240 shares could be purchased, €6,000 divided by €25, meaning that there are 112 bonus shares. Bonus shares could be subject to tax in your local country, depending on the legislation in place. Further details of the tax implications in all countries where the plan is offered can be found in the tax matrix at swww-stockweb.shell.com/GESP. The 352 shares are then transferred to the employee's share account, and the employee is free to transfer or sell them, or leave them to earn dividends. That's all there is to it. This video is a summary for information only. It is not an offer or an invitation. Please read the full documentation when it is sent to you before making any decision to join the plan.